Well, we couldn't see in the car, so I had to knock.
Yes, sir.
Then she's rolling up the window. Someone smoked marijuana. The tint's illegal. Okay, that's all we're at right here. I'm not. Do I look stressed?
No, sir.
No.
No marijuana.
I get to wear a hat.
No, sir. No marijuana.
All right, it's a good day. Have you guys ever been arrested before?
Yes, I have.
Accurate, where you at?
Parsons Thurman.
Head up towards Livingston and Berkeley. But don't go on Berkeley unless you hear us mark. Just be near it.
Okay.
The other guy just went over there.
Let's see on the back seat.
Is there one in the driver's seat?
I can't tell. He's back out.
We'll be in A side, room 55.
Is that Tint?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's
All right,
got
go. I didn't know someone was in there.
Let it get to the road.
You got that one.
It's getting close already. Go. Hold on. Go.
They're good.
Alright. Come to Lily. Go. You get out too since they're parked.
Yeah.
I'll take these two.
10-6, Livingston and Lily. Ohio Tag King, Frank John, 2453.
Alright, I'll stay as close as you please. Do you have your
Livingston and Lily, yeah, copy.
Hello!
Hi.
Is this vehicle registered to you?
It is, yes.
Do you know the window tint level on this vehicle?
I don't.
Alright. Can you step out here? We'll talk about it.
Okay. Do I have to get out the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am. Get out of the vehicle, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't mean to roll. No, it was me. I'm sorry. It was me. I'll roll it back down. My bad. That was my fault.
So do you know that level on here? We can test it for you, but
That's fine, yeah.
On this?
I don't know. I bought the vehicle and it was
Okay.
already tinted,
Can you
so
tell me anything in this vehicle from looking in that?
I can see my thing in the front.
You couldn't make out names. You can't have any window tint on this side.
Okay, I didn't know that. I'm not from
Besides
Ohio,
that.
so.
All right, license too?
I'm sorry? Yes.
Can you sit right here for me?
You guys are a wee bit aggressive. Just a little
Normal
bit.
traffic stop. We can't see in the vehicle.
That's
so we
okay.
get a
I
little nervous.
understand. No, I understand.
Okay. Hang tight for me.
I can't see with the tint. Windows. Hi, guys. I can't see with the tint. How are you?
Hello.
Can you roll that down, sir? Hi, Officer Davis, Clemens Division of Police. Do you have your IDs on you guys? Hi, how are you?
Is this vehicle registered to you?
It is, yes.
Do you know the window tint level on this vehicle?
Can I eat my food, sir?
In a second, brother. Just give me a second. Who's smoking the marijuana? Nobody? Okay.
I'll put the cigarette out.
Yes, ma'am.
Make me nervous.
I gotta get out the door. What are you open up there for?
Just don't roll that up. Leave it like
didn't
that.
No, it was me. I'm sorry.
Sorry. I know I saw.
I'll roll it back
Relax.
No, I'm
I'll
not
roll it
saying.
back down.
Relax.
My bad. That was my fault.
So you know the level on here? We test it for you, but on
That's
this?
fine, yeah.
On this?
I don't know. I bought the vehicle and it already tinted.
No, sir. I'm going to leave this open right now. Thank you.
I ain't doing nothing, man. There's no reason to be aggressive with it.
Who's being aggressive? I'm just standing here.
Just a little nervous.
That's okay.
Man. We don't like going through situations like this. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Well, we couldn't see in the car, so I had to knock.
Yes, sir.
Then she's rolling up the window. Someone smoked marijuana. The tint's illegal. Okay, that's all we're at right here. I'm not. Do I look stressed?
No, sir.
No.
No marijuana.
I get to wear a hat.
No, sir. No marijuana.
All right, it's a good day. Have you guys ever been arrested before?
Yes, I have.
What for, sir?
Can I put these
It's
back in my
old, sir.
purse?
It's old.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay.
I stay out the way.
You stay at where?
I said I stay out the way. I don't do nothing.
That's good. That's not a bad thing, right? Isn't that a good thing?
sir.
So do you guys know the new marijuana laws though? Like, do you know that, sir?
I thought it wasn't illegal.
It's legal. You just can't smoke and be in a car.
What you mean it's illegal?
You can possess raw marijuana if you're over the age of 18. 21. Sorry. Did I say 18? I meant 21.
Okay. How much? How much marijuana can you possess?
It's like 13 grams or something like that until they update a few more things. Darby, you want to test that tint?
I don't know what it is.
Can you stand right here for a second? Keep that door open for me, please.
I bought the vehicle like that, so.
Who is this to you? Right here.
These are friends.
All right, let's do the old tint meter tested. This one is going to be 22%. Oh, stupid sticker. Alrighty. $77.
Alright.
So I don't know what the tent is on it. I did have an officer one time coming over, but he didn't.
I don't know.
He just said that it was a little dark.
13%, Chris, too dark.
It is too dark. Okay.
It's way too dark.
So real
Okay.
quick, we're going to do the thing with the tint here, but we're also going to handle the narcotics investigation.
It is too dark. Okay. I didn't know.
All right. So real
Okay.
quick, we're going to do the thing with the tint here, but we're also going to handle the narcotics investigation. So the thing I always ask right here is, you can have raw marijuana, you just can't smoke and drive. Is there any drugs or weapons in the vehicle I need to know about?
No. Why do you have to search my vehicle?
Well, two reasons. Number one, the prohibited level of tint. That's not a
Okay.
drivable vehicle. And number
Okay.
two, when you have burnt marijuana coming from a car right here,
But
it's
nobody
still
has
illegal.
smoked. I don't want my vehicle searched though. I don't want that. No. I
Well,
don't
number
want
one, we're impounding, but first we're going to do
You're gonna impound my vehicle?
Yes, dear. If you can wait right here. Sarge, can you wait right here? Hey guys, make sure you hold on. Okay. Do one at a time right here. Leave everything out. We're gonna have you step out first, sir. Do you have your ID on you, sir?
Yeah.
May I have that, please? Hey guys, any weapons or drugs in the car that I need to know about, guys?
No, sir.
122. Can you add us to the run 121's on and mark us around the grant? I got that.
You guys heard my question though, right? No weed, no drugs, no guns?
Why I can't on my phone?
Hey, go ahead and put your phone down real
No
quick, sir.
counts investigation.
Alright, that
Stop.
made me put my phone down. I gotta go. I know you.
Go
The
ahead.
smell of marijuana. Smoke marijuana in the car.
And prohibited level of 10. I'm gonna have you put your phone, my man, put the phone down.
Number. I'm just making sure my sister knows what's going on.
Hey,
Why are you acting
put
like
the
you
phone
stop?
down.
Okay, I
Stop.
gotta hang up.
Do I need to
Okay,
put
no,
your
I'm about to hang up.
Hold on.
Look,
Is
hang
something
up.
going on? Stop.
Look, I just hung the phone up.
All right,
I can
real
go.
quick. Turn, face away from, stop. Yeah, we're just gonna go and do this, dude. Is there something I need to know about?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Medic 14 Street at 18.
Step out. I know, but been doing this 11 years. All right, these are all kind of indicators and clues right here. Zach, will you hold him?
Yeah.
Cuff him. 33. Put that out, man.
Face away. Drop,
Put that out.
Drop the cigarette. Yes, sir. Drop it.
For the time being, will you cuff her, Sarge? You got any drugs on you?
114 with 111.
Pull your hands away from your back, sir.
6511, recovered to 33.
Do you guys need more cars?
What's up, buddy?
I might not have been clear and I asked if there's any weapons in the car. That could have been me.
Why you can't take your cell phone?
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, there was, I knew something, so he kept trying to shut the door.
He tried to shut it, that's why I left it open.
I put my butt on
Yeah.
it. And then he had his sister on the phone asking why they were going to have to get out the car.
All right, you want that side?
Just one? Any narcotics?
I haven't got that far. I don't need the I've only looked in one bag so far.
What's that?
Dover.
Is that your pen?
Yeah, the fatty pills.
Did you know that there's one right here?
Yep. Yeah, we saw him too. He wanted to cut through the yard and go up Berkeley, right there. It's a cool little group of 5. You didn't see all that when you were backed into the Dollar General? Everything that was happening?
I was in the Dollar General. I couldn't even find what I needed.
I'm on my knee. It's that good seeing you, bud.
Good seeing you.
See, I try to do what I can when I say head this way, you know? I've been trying to be more responsible lately. Instead of just yelling 10-3.
I like that.
Is that reasonable and fair?
It was reasonable. It worked out better.
It did. You guys were coming and I sat there and he kept trying to shut the door. I'm like, I need you to stop. The guy in the back seat was freaking out probably more though. He might have a warrant.
He's actually, he's like, hey man, I'm just wiping my forehead. Is that cool? I'm like,
111, can you change the address to 660 Gilbert?
Yeah.
Sorry, 600, yeah, were you on 660? Okay. Is that the address of?
How did you get mixed up?
That's why that guy in the back seat was freaking out.
Okay.
Oh man.
That was a lot of drugs found in.
You make sure that stuff's good. I'm gonna go over here for a half a second. Hi sir, how are you? Good.
So, where were you going?
Home.
You're going home? Why'd you pull back in here?
I was gonna grab some food from here instead of cooking for dinner.
Yeah, you expect us to buy that?
No, really. I was really gonna grab some food from here instead. I was. Sure was. All my cards are in this pocket over here. Just be careful when you pull that pocket out. Yep. Yep. Sure
Nobody
can.
said anything, hey, pull back in when we got behind
Nope,
you?
I was literally gonna grab dinner. I was just trying to find an entrance to the parking lot. I was gonna swing
How
right
close
here
are
and
these
come through.
friends?
They're just
that
friends of mine.
had F1 amount of drugs in your car?
They're just
friends?
they're
Not that
friends.
close?
Yeah, they're just friends. You can pull the whole pocket out, yeah. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no panties on either. So.
Appreciate it. Have a seat.
That thing's kind of hot on my back,
Yeah.
so I'm not gonna sit on it.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
I'll hold on to that for now.
I can't hold on to my credit card.
Now you're currently being detained
Okay.
out of a felony,
That's
a
okay.
first degree,
Okay.
maybe trafficking in drugs.
Okay.
We gotta watch the video from the Family Dollar, see if you
That's
were
fine.
complicit in any of that.
Okay.
So we'll go from there.
Okay.